Mac Stop 01 program. Here we go.
Alright, CJ, we're going to go to our cycle start from our load position, not our load position. And it's going to go to the load position where we load the part. And that's where it is now. We'll go through our sequence. That's the load position. If you look at the screen, we've got load the listed tube below, 1/4 inch. As soon as I hit OK, I'm going to click OK, but look at the machine. Watch what the machine does. I'm hitting OK now. It takes off. Good. Good. I hit cycle start. And it's got to stop. Now it's asking for a tool change to a 1/2 inch round. I'm going to hit OK, and that sucker's going to take off. And this is the Mac 1 program. Cycle start. Cycle start. Tool change. 1 inch round. I'm going to hit OK, and it'll take off. I think that's the end of the program. It's rewinding back to the beginning.
All right, that's it on
and that's
Mac.
the end of Mac 1.
Mac 1.